Amazing to win such an award, sort of voted for by your fellow colleagues. What does it mean to yourself?
Oh, it means the world. You know, as I said, I had a little girl just over a year ago, and to even be back in the team is enough. But to be voted as the Players' Player of the Year is an unbelievable feeling, and you know, it's been a hard graft, and it's nice to know that the players appreciate the work I've put in. But you know, there were several players that could have won it. I was just thankful that it was me.
Do you think is it a great award to win? It must feel with immense pride to be voted for by your colleagues who play around you on the pitch.
Yeah, definitely. I think the players see you day in day out, and they see you train, they see you play. Sometimes, when it's fans or people voting from the outside, they don't see everything that goes on. So for the players to still vote for me when they see everything is a real compliment, and I'm chuffed to bits.
And in terms of the near future now, with all the games that are coming up for the Euro campaign, do you fancy sort of Wales' chances? Can you get over that disappointment from last month?
Yeah, I think so. It's only one game in. It's going to be a long year. There's lots of games to be played between us and the other teams and the other teams themselves. So, it was disappointing to lose, and especially in the way we did. We don't feel like it was a 3-0 defeat. The score didn't really reflect the game, we feel. But we have to get over that disappointment. We've got a tough away trip to Norway next, and if we can grab a point or even 3 in that game, then it puts us right back in there.
Brilliant. Well, excellent. Congratulations once again on your awards, and thanks for joining us on FAW TV.
Thank you very much.